Hello, beautiful friends. It's Nikki and Lynette here, and we just got done working on another project, but we wanted to bring you guys in for our little charcuterie party we're having here. And we worked up a sweat, so we needed to take a little bit of a break, didn't we?
We did, yes, and a little bit of chill time with some wine.
Yeah, pour
and
it.
Some Boone's Farm Strawberry Hill, back from the 1990s.
So, Boone's Farm in the 1990s cost 99 cents, you guys. Do you guys remember that? Or are we just 80s and 90s chicks?
Woohoo, 80s and 90s. 80s and 90s.
But I was thinking this little area was missing something. And Steve got me this really big pitcher. It's heavy too. And I wanted to show you this little idea that's really cute. And it's simple.
Yes.
It's simple and you don't have to think too much about it, is what I like.
Yeah.
So. Well, cheers to a great day, my friend.
Cheers. We'll be back with some really exciting stuff.
Yes, these little pepperonis and crackers are yummy.
That's exciting stuff right there.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Exciting.
Great, thanks guys. Okay, this is what excited me so much. Steve brought this home from a yard sale. It was $3. This is heavy.
It's heavy.
Ceramic. And it had a bunch more flowers in it. There's even more in my sunroom. But I just kind of toned it down a little. And I chose the flowers that in my mind looked a little bit on the more realistic side. And you guys, I have this idea of what to do. Do you guys love to have fresh flowers like in your kitchen?
Yes, I do.
I do too. And so my idea is, why not put these faux flowers in? I got a little bud vase with water in it because I thought, oh, I'll just put water in the whole entire container. But then that would require me to have to take all of these flowers out, change the water, and I don't want to do that. I want to keep things simple. So I'm going to put this little vase right down in here, and I put little Kroger bags down so it won't fall all the way down.
I was just going to ask you how did you do that so it won't fall?
And then I thought, well, I need another something because that bud vase is not very big. I just got a little cup and I squeezed it over here. So let's go cut some flowers and put it in these cups in this vase and see how this turns out.
Those are the flowers that you cut. They're so pretty. They almost look fake. They're beautiful. Oh, the pink one looks unbelievable. They're beautiful. So those are freshly cut from Lynette's garden. You want me to hold them and you can hand them? I can hand them to you, or you can grab them from me?
Yeah, that'd be great, Nick. You hand them to me. Kind of one at a time. So.
Or you tell me which ones you want.
Yeah, let's start with the big ones.
Okay. That'd be this guy.
Yep, this guy right here.
Big hydrangea.
Incredible.
And this pink one. That pink one, I swear, if you saw that in person, it looks fake. And it is not. It is so perfect.
Does that look? I can't tell. That's my problem.
Looks good from here.
Yeah. Huh? Alrighty, little Gerber daisy. Just making sure I'm getting it in the cup with the water. Echinacea, coneflower. Maybe I can turn it this way a little.
Sure. You can see what you're doing.
Yeah. White larkspur. Let me go over here with the pink or the purple. yarrow. I swear I love yarrow, and I tried to give some yarrow to a friend last year and she was like, no thanks.
Oh, I think it's really pretty.
I'm like, I love it. Now it does get messy looking, a little messy looking, but I think it's so sweet.
Okay, you have just a few left here.
Yeah.
Which ones do you want? Take them
Just
all?
kind of throw them in
All right.
there. So a little bit of zinnias. Ooh, and a bunch of larkspur. Okay. Let's see if I can get this sort of.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so this is what I love about this, you guys. I only had to cut a little handful of fresh flowers to have, you know, a little bouquet in my kitchen. And I'll show you where it's going to end up in my kitchen. But isn't that beautiful? I can't see it.
It's really precious. It's gorgeous.
I told Steve, I said, this is like one of my favorite things you've gotten me lately because it's just so sweet. And then I saved this leaf in case I needed it to hide the vase, but I don't think I need it.
I can't see the vase from here.
Yeah.
That is just absolutely beautiful. Oh yes, up a little higher. I couldn't see him that well.
Yeah, he's like falling into the...
There you go. Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
So that's what we needed with our charcuterie.
Now we can enjoy that while we finish our drinks and our food.
Cheers, friend.
Cheers.
This was a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. We got a lot of stuff done today, and I love this new little ceramic container that Steve got me.
We're gonna put pictures on here of how it looks in her kitchen once she goes back inside, and it's gonna be gorgeous because it just looks, wow, I love it.
Yeah, like maybe I'll start doing a weekly, because I was telling Nikki earlier that, you know, I can pull a few out of my garden, but I can also just go to Kroger or to the grocery store, go to, I heard, what's that one store that has really good flowers? What do you want to talk about?
Trader Joe's?
Trader Joe's.
No.
Has like where you can go buy the stems of flowers.
They do.
And how cute would that be? Go, you know, spend $10 on some fresh flowers and throw them in there.
I'm partial to yours that are in your garden.
I know, but
they look awfully pretty.
I have a problem because I love.
She didn't want to cut them down.
I love what's in my garden.
Yeah.
So I'm like, but like the ones that are like like my hydrangeas that are falling further down to the ground, we can cut those.
Well, maybe just a few.
Just a few.
Okay. Well, again, we're going to enjoy this weather. It's really nice, and finish our wine, and it's toast to Friday.
Yeah. Right. Today's Friday, everybody.
Lots of gardening Friday.
Yes.
Cheers,
everybody.
Folks. Go find.
What are you going to do?
Go find
your passion
today.
Go. 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 Go.